Hey, Brent Garrett, President of Sirius Plumbing and Air Conditioning. We're here talking about water heaters today, and most importantly, if your water heater should happen to start leaking, what's the first thing you do? Actually, there are a couple things you need to do. Number one is we want to get the gas turned off to the system because we don't want the gas running before we turn the water off. So, quick, easy thing to do is go down here and look for the red handle. The red handle right here is going to be in line with the pipe, and that means that the gas is going to the water heater. What we want to do is turn this a quarter turn, and now your gas is shut off. We happen to have two water heaters here, so we're going to shut both of them off. And then now we can go start looking at how do we turn the water on. Well, the water's on right now, but we want to turn it off. So what we've got up here is a ball valve. They turn a quarter turn just like the gas lines here. And I'm going to step out of the way here so we can get a really good picture of what that ball valve looks like. There are a lot of pipes up there. What we want to do is find the one that's coming out of the wall and going to the water heater. So I'm going to step in here, and I know that our pipe right here is coming. This is supplying both water heaters. What we're going to do is turn this just like the gas valve. We're going to turn that a quarter turn just like that, and guess what? We now have at least stopped the leaking of the water to the tank. Now these are tank models, so it doesn't matter if it's a tankless or tank model. It's still holding a lot of water. That doesn't mean that the water will stop leaking. What it means is that we won't continually flood our house, which is the important thing. So now we've turned the gas off, we've turned the water off. Now it's time to call a plumber. Call us at 972-235-6600. I'm Brent Garrett, President of Sirius Plumbing and Air Conditioning. Don't forget, you can also reach us at www.siriuspac.com, and you can request service online. We'll call you right back. Have a great day.